If you want to save time and work smarter, these free tools will change everything. The year is 2026, and the landscape of web development has been completely rewritten. We've moved past simple code completion. Today, we're in the era of agentic development. If you're still writing every line of CSS by hand or manually setting up your database schemas, you're not working smart. In this video, we're breaking down the most powerful, and often free to start, AI web development tools that have launched or reached peak maturity in 2026. From AI-native IDEs to full-stack agents that build entire apps from a single prompt, this is how the web is being built today, faster and smarter than ever before. First, let's talk about where the magic happens, the IDE. In 2026, the big three have solidified their dominance. Cursor remains the gold standard for AI-native development. It's no longer just a fork of VS Code. It's a fully integrated AI teammate. Its new Composer mode allows it to edit multiple files simultaneously, understanding the context of your entire repository better than most human developers. Then there's Windsurf, the newcomer that took 2025 by storm and is now a 2026 powerhouse. Its standout feature is Flow, an agentic system that doesn't just suggest code but actually executes terminal commands, runs tests, and fixes its own bugs in real time. And of course, GitHub Copilot. Now powered by the latest reasoning models like GPT-5, Copilot has evolved into an enterprise-grade architect. It can now perform workspace reviews, identifying security vulnerabilities and performance bottlenecks before you even hit commit. But what if you don't want to start with code? In 2026, the bridge between design and production has finally been crossed. v0.dev by Vercel has become the industry standard for UI generation. It uses a generative UI approach, where you describe a component, and it gives you production-ready React code using Tailwind CSS and Shark UI. It's like having a world-class front-end engineer on call 24/7. For those looking for the full-stack experience, Lovable is the tool to watch. It's an AI engineer that builds, deploys, and maintains web applications. You give it a prompt, and it handles the front-end, the Supabase backend, and the deployment. It's the ultimate tool for rapid prototyping and MVP development, and we can't forget bold.new. It allows you to run full-stack Node.js environments directly in your browser. No local setup, no, it works on my machine, excuses. Just pure, AI-driven development in the cloud. The biggest trend of 2026 isn't just AI that writes code, it's agentic workflows. Tools like Claude Code and Klein have turned the terminal into a command center. These agents can now browse the web to read documentation, use your browser to test the UI they just built, and even interact with your Slack to update the team on their progress. We are also seeing the rise of predictive usability tools. AI can now simulate thousands of user sessions on your design before you even launch, telling you exactly where users will get confused or where your conversion rates will drop. So, does this mean the end of the web developer? Absolutely not. In 2026, the role has simply shifted. We are no longer code monkeys, we are product architects. The tools handle the syntax, the boilerplate, and the debugging. Our job is to focus on the strategy, the user experience, and the creative vision. The barrier to entry has never been lower, but the ceiling for what we can create has never been higher. Which of these tools are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.